Yo, what's going on, yo? Alex Jenkins checking in. Got into a few trades, maybe an hour ago. Got in the trade for USD, Euro USD, and Great British Pound USD GU. They're going very well. I pushed the account back down again. I've done this intentionally because I really want to perfect, working with a small amount of money because that's what I'm gonna start with, and I'm pretty much going live here today. And it was just a last test I want to do for early morning action. So trades are going pretty well. This was trying to creep back up. They're both trying to creep back up. Um, I might just take the profits and live with it. And this is the last demo video I'll probably be doing. So I just want to give y'all a little bit of something. You know what I mean? I should have did 2 hours on these trades during the European session, but it's all right. I go through the whole session. It should still maintain its position. Still quite a few pips away from on GU. So still got 2 hours and 57 minutes, which is a lot of time for the market to reverse back up into the other direction. But I'm gonna take profit on these right now and deal with those profits. All right, did pretty good, man. Did pretty good. Count was down to like 3 something, which is good. So once I get to that 300 something mark, I know I can do very well right there and not be operating out of fear. So that's a good thing. But Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all. Y'all see me in the future. No live videos till later on down the line, y'all.